All right, guys. Little rant and rave. A little. I'm gonna learn something new. So I'm gonna teach something new. Somebody else is gonna benefit from this video. One person benefits from this video. Plus, this is for my mental health. I have this chainsaw that I have been working on for longer than I want to admit. You guys know I don't like 2-cycle. I hate 2-cycle. And I'm like, dude, it's just a recoil. And I'm gonna do little snippets of a video where have a guy dropped it off. And what happened was the spring came out. Of course, my luck, something so simple doesn't become so simple. So you know how we talk about mechanical instinct? So I rewound the spring up and I could not get the starter to engage. There's your hint. So I'm going to drop this video of what I was experiencing. I think I know the answer to this. I think the rope is too thick, but I just want to make sure. So I could retract this, no problem. Right, has tons of tension on it. See that? Once I put it on here, and I pull it, it stays out. And then if I bring it back in, it's no good. Everything looks fine. So remember, when I tell you guys, if you understand how something works, then you can fix it. So right here is your starter pole, okay? And its job is to kick these out. Once these engage, it locks the flywheel so you can spin. So this starter pole, right, was spinning in the wrong direction and not kicking out the poles. So I had to take the spring out, flip it 360 through that painful process and reinstall it. And I'll put this back together and show you this thing runs. So here we go, one hand. It's gonna be tough. But now you guys can see it works. So I am so defeated and happy at the same time. Usually I clean equipment before I give it back to the person. I don't want to touch this thing no more. I don't want to touch this thing because of my luck, something else. I'm not doing it. Sorry, pal. So that's your teach something new, then you learn something new, and just figuring it out. All right, guys. Happy Monday. Hope you guys have a great week. Later.